Let's learn how seminars work in AccuTrack or AccuSQL. Seminars are typically special one-time events that happen in your center. Students will register for those events. You'll set up the seat count for the seminar, and then students can continue to register until that seminar gets full. Also, when a student uses AccuTrack or AccuSQL, you can enable the seminar sign-up button on the main sign-in screen here, or from the student pad to enable students to register for seminars. They can also use our web gateway web plugin module, which I'll show you that as well, in order to register for seminars via the web. Okay, so I'll log in as an administrator, and then I'm going to access seminars on the left, and then the seminar button here. Okay, and I have a few seminars I've already entered, but I'll go ahead and enter a new one. Now, the one thing I want to show you here, and I'll mention it more in detail later, is I have an option for anyone can register for a seminar, or only students from a student group can register for a seminar. Okay, so I'll show you that in a moment. But I'll go ahead and add a new seminar here, and I have some information I can paste in. So here's my title. This is how late can the student register for the seminar. So I'll say it's going to be on about February 23rd is the end of registration, and then my seminar itself will take place on the 24th. Now I'll say 9 a.m. and again on the 24th, and then I can arrow to change my values here, but I'll make it 9 to 11 a.m. Capacity, how many seats are available for it, the location, presenter, and then the details of the seminar. Okay, now can anyone register or only a select group? I'll say anyone. So now I've saved that. So using AccuTrack or AccuSQL itself, the student would click the seminar sign-in here, enter their ID, and then it will show any seminars. Now it also shows which ones I've already registered for, but let's see, right here is the new one I just created, so I can register. Notice the seat count is 30. I registered, now it's 29. If I want to drop that, I can click the drop button and it would unregister me. Okay, now via the web, this is Web Gateway, so I'll go ahead and log into this, enter an ID, and password. And now I can do things like make appointments, but I can also click seminars here. And that's an available seminar, and here's registered seminars. So this one here, this retirement planning, that's the one that I just registered for via AccuSQL, so I can do it either way. If I want to register for writing the perfect resume, I can select it and then register, and now I'm registered for it. Okay. Back in AccuSQL, I now see that I'm registered for all 4 of the seminars. Okay, if I unregister for them here via the web, it will write back to my database. And now I'm unregistered for those 2. Okay, now let's look at student groups for a second. And I do have a video on student groups. There are 4 ways to build a student group via a report. You can manually build them, you can import them, or you can do it through a profile query, we call it, so through student demographics. But anyway, let's go look at user student groups here. And now I have a group called Tutor Prospects, okay, that has the following students are my Tutor Prospects group. So remember the seminar that I had entitled Become a Tutor. Well, my student that I signed in with does not see that because he's not part of that student group. However, I have an ID for a student that's a member of that student group, so I'll enter that ID, and now Become a Tutor is available to that person. Okay, he registers, goes through the same process. Okay, and then we have some reports that you can run on seminar registrations. So I'll click Seminar and then Reports right here. And I have seminar registration, It shows me the students that are registered for my various seminars. And I have seminar statistics. Okay, so that's just start, end, capacity, registered, etc. Okay, and that's it. Thanks.